Hi, welcome to Randy's Paradise. Today I'm cooking with Jay. I'm making bruschetta chicken with a stuffing crust. Separate them. And I'll chop this up into bite-sized chunks. I've chopped up all my chicken into bite-sized pieces. There's about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds here. It was 3 large chicken breasts, boneless, skinless. We have 1 box of stuffing, can be any type of brand you want. 1 can of diced tomatoes. A teaspoon of basil. A tablespoon of olive oil, 1/2 cup of water, a teaspoon of garlic, which equals 2 cloves if you use fresh garlic, and a cup of mozzarella cheese. It's all going to go in this baking dish, glass baking dish, which you grease up before you put everything in. And let's get to mixing the ingredients. So starting with our 1.5 to 2 pounds of chicken, we're going to pour in our olive oil. Our basil. And our cup of cheese. Take a spoon, mix all that together, get everything nice and evenly mixed together in there. Spoon our mixture in. Spread it out evenly in the pan. Even cooking. Extra stuff out of there for flavor. Next is our stuffing mix for the top. You take your tomatoes, diced tomatoes, put them in with the stuffing, 1/2 cup of water, and your 2 cloves of garlic. Another spoon. You want to mix this all up nice so that the stuffing absorbs a lot of the juices from your tomatoes and all that water you put in there. Get your garlic mixed in there nice and fine, and it should just be a slightly moistened mixture. Take your mixture, we're going to spread it on top of our chicken. So we preset our oven to 400 degrees. It's preheated. We've got our chicken bruschetta ready to go. And you cook it in the oven on the center rack for about 1/2 hour, 35 minutes, till the chicken's done. With as thick as the chicken was this time, I'll give it 40 minutes just to be safe. Whenever it's done, the stuffing on top should just be a little bit crusty, so when you scoop it out, you got a nice bruschetta chicken. So So the chicken bruschetta is done. We've pulled it out of the oven, given it a few minutes to cool, and we're going to scoop it into our bowls now. Thanks for watching my... If you like our video, give us a thumbs up, hit like below, subscribe, and I'll see you the next time on my next cooking video. Bye.